Bees. Have you ever wondered what it would be like if around a third of the entire country's food supply disappeared? Well, if we're being honest, you probably haven't, but I'm here to tell you that you should actually probably think about that. Think about what life would be like if that happened, and ask yourself if that's a life you would want to live in, because that just may be what's coming. But what could possibly bring about so much change? Well, the answer is within a cycle that has existed long before us, and how it is slowly dying. The pollination system, led by bees, is one of the most important systems that nature possesses. Not only is it important to us humans, but to countless other species as well. The bees fly from plant to plant, picking up the pollen from one plant and dropping it off to another. The vast majority of plants rely on this cycle to reproduce. Without it, the number of plants would drastically decline. This is obviously not good for any living creature and the ecosystem it lives in. When growing crops, farmers spray chemicals over their fields. These chemicals, also known as pesticides, are used to kill any insects and such that feed on the crop they are trying to grow. However, the very bees that are pollinating these crops are killed as well. The pesticide that farmers most commonly use today is called imidacloprid, which is a type of neonicotinoid. A neonicotinoid is just a synthesized version of nicotine, which targets the insect's nervous system. This causes the insect to go completely numb and then eventually die. Sadly, there are not many alternatives to these harmful chemicals and they are costly, but if you really want to help out, go down to your local grocery store and buy some locally produced honey. Supporting the businesses that house bees also helps the bees. If the honeybee population continues to decline, we may even have to hand pollinate all the crops ourselves.